For this case, we are given a jet, maybe moving to the left with a speed of 275 meters per second, and then this jet flies a missile at a speed of 700 meters per second. So the mass of the object, or let me just read the statement over here. A jet flies at a speed of 275 meters per second. The pilot flies the missile forward of a mountain at a speed of 700 meters per second relative to the ground. The respective masses of the jet and the missile are 5,000 kilograms and 50 kilograms. Treating the system as isolated system, calculate the new speed of the jet immediately after the missile had been fired. So now we know initially the two objects, the missile and the jet, are flying with the same speed, which is this one over here. So it's gonna be V multiplied by m1 plus m2 equals to, now they are separated afterwards. So now we're gonna have m1 multiplied by v final of the jet, maybe I can say j, plus m2 multiplied by v final for the missile, represented by m. So initial velocity is 275 meters per second multiplied by 5,000 plus 50. So as you can see here, I put my velocity as positive. It means left is taken as positive and right is taken as negative. So equals to, the missile, after it has been fired, it moves to the left. It means it's gonna still have the positive velocity. So here mass 1 is 5,000 VF for jet plus, this is what we are looking for, m2 is for the missile, which is 700 multiplied by our mass is 50 kilograms. Now looking at this part, for this part it's gonna give you 13,88750 equals to 5,000 VFJ plus 700 plus, multiplied by 50, you are going to get about 3,500. Now you can take this one to the left side. Now you are going to get VFJ equals to, now when you put this on the calculator, you are going to get 270.750 meters per second. So this will be your answer. So for this case, the bullet, let me say bullet, just like they're traveling at 5 meters per second to the right, and it's having 50 grams of mass, and it hits a wall or a block, a wooden block which is stationary, having the mass of 2 kg, and it comes through with a speed of 200 meters per second. Here is 50 kilograms. Now the thing that we are going to do in order for us to calculate the speed of the block after the bullet has come out of the other side is to say or equate the final momentum and initial momentum. So in average, we are going to say m1 multiplied by v initial for object 1, m2 v initial for 2 equals to m2 v final for 1, this is 1 over here, plus m2 v final for 2. Now the substitution will be like this: 50 over 1000. This part we're going to have 500 plus m2 is 2 kg, and the speed is 0, so it's gonna affect everything to be 0 over here, equals to m1 is 50 over 1000 multiplied by 200 meters per second plus m2 will be 2 kg multiplied by vf2, the thing that we are looking for. For this part, it's gonna be 0, 0, 0, 0 will cancel each other. Now it will be 50 over 10, which is 5 multiplied by 5 for 25, plus 0 equals to, for this part it's gonna be 0, 0 will cancel 0, 0. Now we're gonna have 50 over 10, which is 5 multiplied by 2, which is 10, plus 2 vf2. Now we take 10 to the other side to have 25 minus 10 equals to 2v vf2. This part will be 15 over 2 equals to vf2. Now the answer for this thing would be 7.5. So that will be our answer.